Very good morning, children. In the last class of Maths, we were learning the chapter patterns. So what is a pattern? Pattern is an arrangement of numbers, letters or lines at a definite order. So we can see that the numbers, letters or lines are arranged at regular intervals. So this is what we learned in the last class. So let's continue with today's topic, patterns in numbers. So let's see how numbers are arranged in patterns. Some numbers are formed by adding the same number to the previous number every time. So some numbers are formed by adding the same number each time to get the next number. So let's see how it is. Here you can see the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So first let's see the first two numbers. We have 2 and 4. So let's see how these numbers are increasing. When we add which number, we get the next number. So let's take the number 2. When we add 1 to 2, which number we are getting? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. We don't get the next number. So what we have to do? Let's see 2 plus 2. So how much is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4 and we get the next number. So let's see with this number, when we add 2, we have to get the next number. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12 and 12 plus 2, 14. So we can say here the numbers are increasing by 2. When we add the number 2, we get the next number. Now let's look at the next numbers. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So let's look at the first two numbers. We have 5 and 10 here. We have to find out by how much these numbers are increasing. So when we take 5 and 10, we have to see 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now we have to see when we add 5 to this 10, we are getting the next number or not. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes, we have got the number 15. So 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. Now here there are some numbers. We have to find out the missing numbers. We have 3, 5, 7, 9 and the rest are missing. We have to find out. So first let's take the first two numbers. We have 3 and 5. So 3 plus how much is 5? 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. So when we add the number 2 to 3, we get the next number. Now we have to find out when we add 2 to this 5, are we getting the number 7? So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now with this 9, we have to add 2 to get the next number. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So we can write it here 11. Next with this 11, we have to add 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So here you can see that the numbers are arranged in the pattern here. Next we have 5, 10, 15, 20 and the rest we have to find out. These numbers are missing. So first let's look at the first two numbers 5, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5. We have to add 5 to this 20 to get the next number. So 20 plus 5 is 25. With this 25, again we have to add 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. We have some more activities. Let's check here. The first row we have 2, 3, 4. So the numbers are increasing by 1. 2, 3, 4. So the next number should be 5. Then 6, 7, 8. Next we have 2, 4, 6. So first we have to find out by how much these numbers are increasing. Which number is added to get the next number. So we have 2 and 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now with this 6 we have to add 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And 12 plus 2 is 14. So we have completed this pattern. The next we have 2, 5, 8. So let's take the first two numbers. We have 2 and 5. We have to find out by how much these numbers are increasing. Which number is added to get the next number. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So here we have got the number 5. So we have to add the number 3 with this 5 to get the next number. So 5 plus 3 is 8. With this 8, again we have to add 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. That we have to write here. With this 11, we have to add 3. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 14 plus 3, 17. And 17 plus 3 is 20. Here we have the numbers 4, 8, 12 and the rest of the numbers are missing. So let's find out by how much these numbers are increasing. So first we have 4 and next we have 8. So 4 plus how much is 8? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now we have to see with this 8 when we add 4 are we getting the number 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now with this 12 we have to add 4. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Again with this 16 we have to add 4. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Next we have 10, 20, 30 and the rest are missing numbers. So we have to find out by how much these numbers are increasing. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. That we have to write here. 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. Some numbers are formed by subtracting a same number from the previous number every time. So till now we learned the numbers by adding. So some numbers are formed by subtracting also. So let's see how it is arranged. So let's check these numbers. We have 10, 8, 6 and the rest are missing. So let's look at the first two numbers. We have 10 and 8. Here you can see that these numbers are going backwards. It's not increasing, it's decreasing. So first we have 10 and the next number is 8. So 8 is less than 10, right? So we have to find out how much number when we subtract 10 we get the number 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we didn't get the number 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. So we got the number 8. Now we have to find out if we subtract 2 from 8, are we getting the number 6? So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we can continue this pattern by subtracting with the number 2. So 6 minus 2. How much is 6 minus 2? 4. Now 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So that we can write here. Now what we have to do with this 2, again we have to subtract 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So here you can see that these numbers are arranged by subtracting with the number 2. So let's look at the next number. We have 40, 35, 30 and the rest of the numbers are missing. We have to write the numbers there. Let's look at the first two numbers. We have the number 40 and next is 35. So 35 is less than 40. So we can say that these numbers are going backwards. So we have to subtract. When we subtract 40 minus dash, we get the number 35. 40 minus 5 is 35. 35 minus 5, 30. Now what we have to do with this number 30, again we have to subtract from 5. So 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. So this is how we have to arrange these numbers by subtracting. Now let's learn patterns in letters. Till now we were learning the patterns in numbers. So letters also can be arranged in patterns. So let's see how it is. Some patterns in letters can be formed by repeating letters in a particular manner or by skipping some letters. So sometimes a letter will be repeating several times, or sometimes some letters will be skipped. So this is how we arrange letters in pattern. Let's check how it is. Here you can see the letters A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. So what did you find here? You can see that these letters are repeating 2 times. It is going in the order A, B, C, D, E. But what is the difference? The letters are repeating. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. So which will be the next letter in this pattern? A, B, C, D, E. So the next letter is F. So it is F, F. Now let's look at the next letters. Here how it is arranged: A, C, E, G, I. So look at the first letter A. Actually after that, after A, the letter B has to come. Instead of that, which letter has been written? C. So the letter B has been skipped. And look at the letter C. After C, it's written E. So which letter has been skipped? C, D, E. So D has been skipped. Instead, the letter E has been written. Now let's look at the next one, E, G. So F is not been written. Instead, G has been written. And after G, I has been written. So what? Here, the letter H has been skipped. So this is how this pattern is arranged. So let's do this activity. Here you can see A, B, 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 C, C, C. The next we have to fill. So what is the specialty here? A, B, C. The letters are going in the order. But what is the difference? Here you can see that each letter is repeating 3 times. A, B, 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 C, C, C. So which letter has to come after this? It is D, D, D. And after D, 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 it is E, E, E. Now let's look at the second row. Here you can see capital Z, small letter Z. Capital Y, small letter Y. Capital X, small letter X. Capital W, small letter W. Now which letter has to come after this? So here you can see that the letters are going in the reverse order. How do you say S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z? Instead, here the letters are going in the reverse order. So, Z, Y, X, W. Which letter has to come? It is V. So, how should we write? Capital V, small v. And after that, U. Capital U, small u. So, this is how these letters are arranged. Now, you can open your textbook. Page number 155 and 156. So let's do this exercise. First, let's check what it is. Look at the number pattern and fill in the missing numbers. So we have to fill the missing numbers here. Look at the question A. 40, 50, 60. So which number has to come next? Let's see by how much these numbers are increasing. So 40 plus how much is 50? 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Now what we have to do with this 60? We have to add 10 to get the next number. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70, 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. So now this missing numbers are complete. Likewise, you can complete the rest of the exercises. In page number 156, we have our second question. So, let's see what it is. Write the number that comes next in the given pattern. So, we have to complete the pattern. Let's look at the first question. 20, 30, 40. By how much these numbers are increasing? 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. Now with this 40, we have to add 10 to get the next number. So 40 plus 10. How much is 40 plus 10? It is 50. So we can write here 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. Now we have completed this pattern. Likewise, you can complete the rest of the exercises. The D, just look at the question number D. We have 5A, 7B, 9C. So how it is increasing? You can see a number and a letter with these patterns. So first it is 5A. Let's have a look at first the numbers. 5, 7, 9. By how much these numbers are increasing? These numbers are increasing by 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Now let's have a look at the letters A, B, C. The letters are going in the correct order, right? So 5A, 7B, 9C. So which number has to come next? 9 plus 2 is 11. Which letter has to come next? A, B, C, D. So write the letter D here. So now let's see what is the number coming in the pattern here. 11D. So with this 11 we have to add 2. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Now what about the letter? Here it is D, A, B, C, D, E. Now next missing number 13E. With the number 13 we have to add the number 2. 13 plus 2 is 15. And what about the letter? After E it is F. Now with this 15 again add 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. And which letter should come after F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is how this pattern should be completed. And likewise you can complete the rest of the exercises. Now let's look at the next question. Write the missing terms following the pattern in each option. So let's look at the question A. A, dash, dash, D, 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 dash, dash. We have to fill the letters that are missing here. So you can see A. D, D, D is given. So what should come after A? It should be B. But we have to repeat the letter B 3 times. So B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 F, F, F. So likewise you can complete this exercise also. Next in page number 157 we have a Max Lab activity. So first let's check what it is. Splitting a number. So look at the number 30. The numbers are split by 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. And when we add these numbers we have to get the number 30. So let's see how it is arranged. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now let's look at the next number 36. See how the numbers are split here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Let's see how it is arranged. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. And when these numbers are added, we have to get the number 36. Now let's see what we have to do. By splitting 30, we get the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By splitting 36, we get the pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Split the numbers on the left and complete the pattern. Now we have to split the numbers. The first one is 49 and see how many numbers are given. 1, 5, 9 are given and some numbers are missing here. So we have to find out. Let's check. After 1 there is no number, the number is missing, and after that the number 5 is given. And then again we have the number 9. So here you can see that the numbers are increasing by 2. So after 1 it should come 3. 1, 3, 5 is given, and after 5, 7. After 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, and again 13. Likewise, we can complete these activities also. And with this, we finish today's class. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.